Hi friends, today I have made an app which calculates the sides of the the square and converts this length of the side of the square into perimeter and area. This one we use with the code. Then I'll show you how I designed it. I will explain what are the things I used. So for this one, as you can see my cursor, that one I used label. Just you press its label. In the text, you backspace and type whatever you want to type. This one is the text input. Text input is just you drag it and put there and adjust the size. You can say font size, then a border with radius. Border with radius means I will show you. Just see here, okay? If I just increase, it became like that. That's the border radius. See the border width. Actually, the border radius. It becomes circle. That's called border radius. These are also same. So I prefer circle because circle is oval. Then this one is a button. You can say drag it and keep it here as a button. So I type calculate here instead of button. You type calculate. This is also same. I say label. It's a label. These both are labels. This one is I'll change the color if you want plastic. Then orange, ketchup and mustard. So this is forest. Forest I'll choose. Forest is nice. Yeah, like that. These are the codes as I was saying. So this code I will the on event means that is a main code, as you can see, like when run. When run is also a code. On event means that's the starting thing. Without that you can't code. On event is a button one. Button one when it's clicked, because on event button one, when button one is clicked, this goes in text input 5. You just check where's text input 5. You can just text input 5 can be this one. 1, 3, 5. This is text input 5. Text input 5. So text input 5 is the area. So get text input 1. This is text input 1. So think assign text input 1 into text input 1. That means you're typing a number 67. So you multiply 67 into 67. You know, right? So let's calculate. Oh, it's white color. I will just change so you won't just wait. Text input 5. I will change the color. Just a minute. Yeah, just leave it. You know, right? I have seen. Then this is this one is the perimeter. Perimeter means this one into 4. Perimeter. This one into 4. You'll get that. Huh? And that's all for today. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.